We don't get pit stop?
We're on a river.
I'm on a boat. Yeah!
Oh shit!
So Zach, what do you want to say?
I'm on a boat, motherfucker.
Hey! Told you it was out here.
There's no reason to say bad words.
Bitch.
I'm on a boat.
One time at band camp,
Oh, I know mine is.
this guy with wait, what's it called?
Trombone?
No,
Trumpet?
that little black thing that he gets on his wiener.
Clarinet?
Yeah. One time at band camp, this guy tried to masturbate with a clarinet, and it got stuck.
Dude, I got that on camera.
I'm Dolly Parton.
Dude, I got that on camera too.
What? She's got like squared ones. It's like, you want to fight?
I got that on camera too.
I know you do.
To fight. We had like 4 fists.
I wish I could take my shirt off.
Hey Mom, say something
and
to the
not get
camera.
yelled at.
You should be like all like this. No, Mom, you should be all like this.
No, you gotta do it the right way. They're like squared, so it's like you want to fight. Ow, that hurts my boobie.
Hi Chelsea.
What up?
My nipple's hard.
Hey Zach.
Devontae's grow like when he's cold, they're like.
No, Devontae's like.
His wife beater, he just pulls it out.
Oh no, we got another old lady.
I'm on a
Are you sure
Trail.
that's an old lady?
I'm on a boat.
trail.
I'm on a boat.
Trail.
I'm on a boat.
We take a
motherfucker.
pit
I'm on
stop.
boat.
What?
I don't know.
I'm on a boat, motherfucker. Stop fucking
This is kind of
Hey.
boring and I don't want to walk anymore.
It's the start line. I'm on a. Wait, itch your nose. Whoopee.
Stop hitting me.
You're my teacher. See, take it.
What
Get
you need
that
to
shirt.
learn?
Get that shirt.
No, just stare at the lady.
No, I don't know who that is.
Ow, that hurt.
Ow.
got
Ow.
it.
Zach's gonna beat me up in the woods.
Ew.
Somebody call 911.
Chelsea said she wanted to beat me in the woods.
That's no funny.
What the hell? I thought you were supposed to do that with Corey.
That's not funny.
Corey's gonna hear this now.
It's gonna be on YouTube. Jonesy2042. Check that out.
No.
Jonesy2042.
No.
My tongue tickles.
Check out his MySpace and his fake abs.
Oh, my fake
hey,
ass
hey, guess what? Did you know
bullshit.
you can tickle your tongue?
Oh, why are you tickle? Oh my God! Did it sound
Bailey,
like
come here. I got it.
Hi.
You're weird.
Do your
My
little
cake.
trick. And give me a drink
What
of that.
tree are you
Do
talking?
your little trick thing.
Where I twist?
No, where you
Where?
stick your finger down your throat.
The one that's like where you
Look
Bailey,
at that tree.
Bailey, watch Bailey. Do it. I don't care. Do it.
If you're scared, motherfucker, go to church.
That's so. You should
Your
not be
son
able.
can stick his finger down his throat.
You should not.
Do anything.
You should not be able to do that.
Bailey, show your mom. Watch him.
If you
No.
snitch, all that yip yap.
You do not want to be able to do that, do you, Chelsea?
If you,
I do.
I
all
do
girls
too.
are supposed to, okay?
Not all of them. Never mind. I'm not getting
Like
Yeah.
Tyler's sister, she's a man lady.
If you're scared, motherfucker, go to church.
Mouth.
What? That's an actual song.
Mouth, dude.
It's by Ice Cube.
Believe me,
Take this,
tongues
or it's gonna
aren't
be gone
as
when you come back.
At least I'm not saying the
Tongues aren't
beginning.
as long
I'm
as
like,
you think they
no,
are.
I'm not gonna say it. There's no fucking tongue. You need to
This is a
stop
very
snitching.
awkward
Like, yip,
conversation.
yap, no, Debbie. You're scared. Go to church.
That's not appropriate.
How does somebody buck from being attacked?
Now there's gonna be comments from lesbos asking you if you're bi or
Oh,
lesbo.
I'm bi.
You are bi.
It's not as bad as Jay saying, "Oh, I
tell you
want
in
to
a
get that hammer and rip some
Guys,
asshole."
guess what?
Tell me that ain't bad.
Or your mom saying Zach or Devontae wanted to do.
You want
Okay, Mr.
and then-
Street.
You're nice, Mom.
Saying, "Oh, he wants me taking up the ass."
The biggest abs Zach has is on his back.
I
You
touched
said
my
it.
voice
You
box.
said it.
Need Yo, Zach, you have a white line. You have the tan line because your boxers are down farther than they were when you were swimming.
Exactly.
Okay, well, I'm going to stop the video.
not.
So say bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bailey, stop wasting water.
Bye.
It's really valuable.
Mom, say bye.
Oh, hiccup.
Mom. Mom, say bye.
That's why I gave Bailey
Bailey,
the water back.
Bailey,
Bailey, say bye. Stop, I'm all sweaty.
Lily, say bye.
So I can blame the wet stuff on my face.
She's a little...
Girl.